How to fix your IT administrator has limited access on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you are facing this limited access for administrative privileges, here is a quick fix. So for this, you need to delete all the administrative policies. For that, go to Task Manager and then you have to click on Run New Task. Once you do so, tap on the Browse button. Go to this drive's Windows folder and then System32 folder. After that, on the file name search, type in cmd.exe and hit the Open button. Click on Create this task with administrative privileges and open it. Now you have to copy a list of commands which is given on the description box. First of all, press in Ctrl+E to select all of these commands and then Ctrl+C to copy it. After this, you can go to the command prompt. Just right click and every command will be pasted easily. And this way, you will delete all of the policies related to the administrative privileges. And this way, you can solve your issue. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.